Welcome to Visuals. So, what we've got going on today is a real quick tutorial. What we're going to do,
Reality as I knew it disappeared.
is we're going to add a mirror to this awesome piece of AI art we created. There we go. That looks awesome. Then we're going to make parts of it glow. We can increase the threshold to try to get it to match the beat a little better. There we go. Okay. And then what we'll do is add a little glitch. You can turn that on and off, whatever you want. Let's have fun with that. Get wild, as it says. Okay, we're gonna add a transition, and then what you can see that's going on here, we have two different scenes created, one with a green strobe effect and one with a pink strobe effect. That's done using the color overlay and strobe settings. We're gonna push play here. And that's going to make this track of graphics start transitioning automatically to the beat. And then we can slow down the whole process to like every other beat or every 4.
Reality as I knew it disappeared.
That's fun. So that's the bad TV roll effect. You can just have fun with that from time to time. If you hit scan, it'll go really crazy. But it's pretty cool. That looks awesome.